5 essential steps to rebuild foot function after 60. Enhance control, improve balance, and reduce fall risk with just a few minutes of daily practice. If you often feel your feet are weak, unsteady, or disconnected from the ground, you're not alone. These are common signs of declining nerve function and foot muscle strength after 60. In this video, I'll guide you through step-by-step exercises to reactivate sensation, strengthen small muscles, and restore natural flexibility in your soles, methods validated by US health experts. Don't overlook step 4. It includes a subtle test that can reveal foot function decline you might not be aware of. Step 1. Heel raises to stimulate sensory nerves in the soles. You might be surprised to learn that small daily movements under your feet can significantly enhance your control, sensation, and balance. The key isn't intensity, but re-establishing the connection between your brain and feet, which tends to fade over time. Research from Harvard University indicates that sensory nerves in the soles weaken noticeably after 60 if not regularly activated. This not only leads to numbness, but also impairs reflexes essential for balance, especially on uneven surfaces. Therefore, the first step involves a gentle yet highly effective movement. It helps rebuild foot function after 60 by directly stimulating the nervous system and small muscles in the soles, areas often neglected for years. With consistent practice, you'll notice an improvement in foot mobility for seniors, no more tingling or loss of control when walking. Have you ever focused on your soles while standing or moving? If so, how did it feel? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to know where you are on your journey to regaining foot control. This exercise also lays the foundation for the entire foot strength routine for the elderly that you'll explore in the upcoming steps. And don't worry, no equipment is needed. Just your own feet and daily perseverance to regain control of your feet after 60. Real change begins when you're ready to dedicate a few minutes each day to this seemingly small practice. Step 2. Controlled toe flexion and extension while seated. Have you noticed that you rarely use your toes daily? No spreading, curling, or movement at all. Yet, they are crucial for keeping your body stable, especially after 60, when nerve function and reflexes start to slow down. Now is the time to regain control through the smallest movements. The next exercise I'll show you will help rebuild foot function after 60 and revive sensation in each toe, something many overlook until a fall occurs. A 68-year-old gentleman in Florida used to trip frequently due to loss of foot sensation. After consistently performing toe flexion and extension exercises twice daily, he reported not only improved foot mobility for seniors, but also more confident steps without the previous floating sensation underfoot. Try this. Sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Curl your toes tightly, hold for 3 seconds, then extend them fully and hold for another 3 seconds. Repeat 10 to 15 times, twice daily. Have you tried similar small exercises before? Share your experience in the comments. Your insights might help someone else on their recovery journey. This is a vital part of the foot strength routine for the elderly, low effort, but highly effective. With daily commitment, you'll regain control of your feet after 60 without any equipment or medication. Noticeable results often appear after about 2 weeks of practice, especially the sensation of gripping the ground when standing. If you believe your feet need to feel the ground again, the next step will likely change your perspective on daily walking habits. Step 3. Barefoot indoor walking to activate foot sensation. You walk every day, but do you truly feel the ground beneath your feet? Many don't realize that a sense of disconnection from the ground indicates weakening sensory nerves. Feet are not just for support. They house thousands of nerve receptors responsible for balance. When these receptors aren't regularly stimulated, you may feel less confident moving, even within your home. Walking barefoot is the simplest way to rebuild foot function after 60. Direct contact with soft flooring or massage mats prompts the soles to send signals to the brain, reactivating natural reflexes your body may have neglected. Aim to walk barefoot on a safe rug for 5 to 10 minutes each morning. This practice will improve foot mobility for seniors and enhance sensory feedback from feet to brain. If you have diabetes or numbness, proceed cautiously and consult your doctor. This small exercise is also an integral part of the foot strength routine for the elderly you're following. It helps you regain control of your feet after 60 without any equipment. To maintain daily flexibility, check out the Leg Strength and AMP Mobility for Seniors playlist linked below this video. It contains all the exercises to help you train gently yet effectively, suitable for everyone over 60. If you think you're still in control of your feet just because you haven't fallen yet, the next test might make you reconsider. It's capable of revealing issues even without clear symptoms. Step 4. Balance test with eyes closed. You might exercise daily, but that doesn't guarantee your feet retain the reflexes needed for balance. There's a simple test, and if you can't perform it, it's a clear sign you're losing connection with your feet. Stand upright with feet hip-width apart, then slowly close your eyes. If you can't remain steady for 10 seconds without opening your eyes, tensing your shoulders, or stepping to avoid wobbling, it indicates your sensory and control systems are weakening even if you can still walk daily. Many over 60 don't realize they're making two common mistakes that accelerate balance decline. One is neglecting foot activation exercises, seemingly minor movements that are key to awakening sensory nerves in the soles. The other is over-reliance on exercise equipment or machines, whereas training directly on the floor is the most effective way to prevent falls through foot training. Have you encountered either of these mistakes? If so, how did you address them? Share in the comments your real-life experiences can help others recognize and improve their own situations. This simple test is a tool to rebuild foot function after 60 by reawakening reflexes from the soles to the brain. By performing this test daily, you're also improving foot mobility for seniors and reinforcing the foundation of the foot strength routine for the elderly you're following. More importantly, it helps you regain control of your feet after 60 through consistent practice and newfound awareness with each session. If you think standing steadily is sufficient, the next step will surprise you. It not only strengthens your feet, but also cultivates the flexibility that aging subtly diminishes each day. Step 5. Mindful ground contact and sensation. You've gone through all 4 steps, but the real question is, have you tried them? Not just watched, but actually placed your feet on the floor, felt the pressure, and performed each movement with true awareness. Because merely watching won't bring about any change. This is what many overlook. Feet can't change through positive thinking alone. They require consistent, intentional stimulation, like the foot activation exercises you've been guided through. Starting, even with just 2 minutes a day, is the first step to rebuild foot function after 60. Stand up. No shoes. No equipment. Just you and the floor. Feel every contact point, every muscle and nerve response. This isn't just exercise, it's the process of regaining control of your feet after 60 with purpose. The more consistently you practice, the more you'll notice improved foot mobility for seniors. No more disconnection underfoot, no more instability when turning, and most importantly, you prevent falls through foot training before your body sends warning signals. To maintain these results, revisit each step in the foot strength routine for the elderly you've learned. Don't stop, make them part of your daily morning habit. Maintain all 5 steps for at least 3 consecutive weeks, and you'll observe quicker foot responses, clearer sensations in the soles, and most importantly, you'll walk with autonomy, no longer fearing falls. Whether you're starting from scratch or have neglected your feet for years, just a few minutes daily with these 5 steps can rekindle the connection, sensation, and control you thought were lost. Rebuilding foot function after 60 isn't a distant dream. It's something you can achieve at home, little by little. Most importantly, don't stop. Taking action today is a gift to your stability in the years ahead. Have you tried any of these 5 steps? Or are you facing challenges in regaining sensation, control, or balance in your feet? Share your experiences below. Your story could inspire many others in our community who are on the same recovery journey. If you're looking to go further and maintain lasting results, don't forget to check out the full Leg Strength and AMP Mobility for Seniors playlist in the description below. There, you'll find subsequent exercises that integrate the feet, hips, and ankles, leading to comprehensive mobility improvements and natural fall prevention after 60.